Let's navigate to the Globals section and click on it. Click on Default Group. Here are some powerful shortcuts that will significantly simplify the process of building the budget. We will be using them throughout the budget. SW stands for shoot weeks, DW stands for days per week, and so on. Let's adjust them based on our case study data. For our shoot weeks, we will need 40 days divided by 5 days a week, which equals 8 weeks. Let's change SW or shoot weeks to 8 weeks. Our days per week should remain at 5 days per week. Our prep days should be the same as our shooting days. I've found that equalizing the prep days and principal photography days works best for this size of project. Let's set our P or prep days to 40 days. Our SD or shoot days should be set to 40 days. You can customize any shortcuts that you prefer to use when planning your budget. Personally, I find these top 5 shortcuts useful for the following reason. Based on our case study, we are currently aiming for 40 days of principal photography. If for any reason this number changes, we don't have to go through each department and update the number of days. Instead, we can simply update the numbers in these shortcuts, and the changes will be reflected throughout the budget. As we begin working within the budget, it will become clearer and more sensible. Navigate to the Units tab, where you can find additional useful shortcuts such as A for allow, W for weeks, for days, and more. Let's close the Global section and move on to setting our contractual charges.